Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this session we are going to learn about storing real numbers. In previous class we learned about how the integers are stored. In this class we are going to learn about how the real numbers are stored. So what is the integer number? Integer number is nothing but whole number. For example 21 is integer number. So what is the real number? So real number is consists of fraction part. For example 21.35. So this is the real number. Now in this class we are going to see how this real number stored in the computer. Real number is made of three pieces of information. So for example 21.35. In this, the first one is sign. What is the sign for this? Plus. Second one is precision. So that means, so now I can write this 2.135 into 10 power 1. Okay, the same number I can write like this. In this, the precision. So precision is nothing but this is the precision. That means, so 2.135. So next one, so power of 10. So what is the power of 10 here? 1. So these are the three parts. What is the first one? Sign. Second one, precision. So third one, so power of 10. Precision is nothing but so total number in that real numbers. So 2135. So power of 10 means 1. Okay. So before going to learn how the real numbers are stored in the system, we are going to know about normalization. So what is the normalization? So let us take 85.125 is real number. So now I convert this real number into binary number, that is 85 equivalent binary number. I hope you all are know how we can convert the 85 into binary number. We got 1010101. The next number is, so 0.125 means we got 001. How we get? So 001. So multiply 125 into 2. We got 0.250. Here 0. So place here. Then so 250 into 2. We get 0.5. Here we get 0. So place here. Again 0.5 into 2. We got 1.0. Here we got 0. So nothing is there to multiply. So 1 place here. That's it. So now, so this is the binary number equivalent to this real number. So now the problem is, so how you can store this dot? So we need normalization. What's the normalization here? So normalize the number so that the point is always at a fixed position. So now the point is fixed here. Always the point is fixed at first place. What are the remaining numbers? 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So that means, so the dot is here, the fraction. We can move to the, how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. So this is 2 power 6. So this process we are called as a normalization. So as per IEEE standard, that the number should have only one binary digit to the left of the point. Here only one digit as per IEEE standard. The real number contains three parts. So this is the real number now. The real number contains three parts. What is the first one? Sign. So what is the sign for this? Plus. Second one, exponent. So what is the exponent here? So this is the exponent. So that is the 6. And mantissa. So mantissa is nothing but the remaining numbers. So these numbers we are called, sorry. So these numbers we are called as a mantissa. Okay, this is the mantissa. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 we are called as a mantissa. So now we are going to see how the real numbers are stored in system by using single precision IEEE 754 floating point standard and so double precision IEEE 754 floating point standard. Okay, so these two are the same. The only difference is the size. Okay, so this is the 30 bits and this is the 64 bit. It contains, this is the structure of IEEE 754, so floating point standard. In that, the first bit represents sign. That means if this is the number, the sign is plus, so you are going to put 0 here. We discuss in detail. So next one, you are going to calculate exponent. Here for this, the bias is 127. So for this, the bias is 1023. 8 bits for exponent and 23 bits for mantissa. So similarly, for 64 bit, the sign bit is 1 bit, exponent is 11 bits, so mantissa is 52 bits. I hope you all understand what is the sign here. In this example, plus is the sign. And exponent is nothing but, in this example, 2 power 6, that we are going to perform some mathematical operation, we can see in detail. And the mantissa is nothing but this part, we are called as a mantissa.